Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to free up RAM on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. There are several things that you can do in order to release the memory and speed up your device just a little bit. And the first thing that you can do is get rid of the live wallpaper. Of course, this is only for those that actually use them, like for instance if you can see on the example right now. It is better to of course use a static image in order to not take as much RAM as live wallpapers do. So of course, in order to change the wallpaper, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to go to wallpaper and personalization, and then over here you can find a bunch of different wallpapers. I'm gonna use one of these system wallpapers. They don't really take that much RAM, and we can set it as both home screen and lock screen. You don't really want to use wallpaper mix in that case as well. And there we go. So this is one of the ways to free up some RAM. Another thing that is worth checking out is to find out apps that are running or draining most of the battery. Because if they are draining battery, this also means that the RAM is being used as well. So in order to check that, we can go to the settings. Now over here we need to scroll down and go to battery, and then over here in battery, if you scroll down, you will find this information. So for instance, in my case, it is TikTok and the wallpaper plugin for the TikTok as well. So we can tap over here, and what we can do is pretty much force stop the app so that it is not running in the background and it is not using RAM when it is not needed. And there we go. Another thing that you can do is go to the security app. So you want to find it on your device. You can find it, for instance, in the app drawer. And then over here, you want to go, for instance, to the boost speed that clears memory. Over here, we can find out about the cache. We can see the running third-party apps. We have running system apps, locked running apps, and so on and so forth. Of course, we can decide what we want to include or what not. In my case, I'm just gonna press this boost speed button in order to get rid of everything that is not really necessary to run at this moment. And there we go. Now we can see that we have more available memory right now. It is 7.6 gigabytes out of 12. And there we go. So this is also a pretty good way to speed up our device and free up some RAM. And there we go. Now we also might see this information that Ramjet allows you to clear memory and boost your device's speed in a single tap. And we can add Ramjet to the home screen. So if you kind of want to have this icon in the home screen, like this shortcut that allows you to quickly perform this action, then of course you can press OK. In my case, I don't really care about this. And in addition to that, while still being in the security app, we can also see that we can optimize our device. So if you can also press optimize over here in order to find out what can be done in order to make it work even faster. So of course you can do that. We can optimize it, and there we go. Of course, some of them don't really influence the not all of them have an impact on the RAM. Some of them are just suggestions related to the security and so on and so forth. So it's not really related to the RAM, but sometimes they can. Alright, so now that we have that done, then the last thing that you can do on a pretty much daily basis is closing all running background apps. So you can go to background apps or recents, like so. And then over here, you will of course find all apps that are running in the background. If you want to, you can just close one app by swiping left or right if you have this view. And there we go. As you can see, no recent items. Or if you want to, you can also use the cross over here in the middle at the bottom in order to close everything as well. And then you will also find this information about how much was cleared. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.